Hello, my name is Dr. Muhammad Bakhtisr and I am a graduate of King Edward Medical University. I have applied for Match 2024 and for that purpose I have completed my United States clinical experience in America. Now there are three types of visas that usually doctors apply for. One is B1, B2. B1, B2 visa is usually a visit visa, and if you are applying for an observership or an elective position, that is what you are going to do apply for, B1, B2. Other two visas are work visas, which includes J1 visa and H1B visa. Now, J1 visa is the most commonly sponsored visa for job purposes. For example, if you are selected for residency or some research position in United States or any other job other than medicine, you are going to get a J1 visa for that, and your spouse is going to get a J2 visa if they are applying with you. Similarly, H1B visa is also for work purposes, but H1B visa is reserved for highly specialized people. In terms of being a doctor who is applying for USMLE pathway, to get an H1B visa sponsorship, you need to have step 3 result with you. Otherwise, you will only get a J1 visa. The most common reason because of which the visa officer might reject your visa is failure to establish ties to your home country. Now, for students who are going for elective rotations, it's important for them to take a dean's letter or a transcript that shows that they are currently studying in a particular year and they have to come back to complete their degree. In terms of for graduates who are going for observership, the most important document that shows ties to their home country is their job notification. So if you are doing a house job, take your house job notification with you. If you are doing an MO job, take that notification with you. But take any notification showing that you are currently working somewhere. It's important. Now there are three outcomes of a visa interview. 1, your visa gets accepted and you get a blue slip. 2, your visa gets rejected, you get a yellow slip. 3, your visa goes into administrative processing. Now there are two reasons because of which your visa can go into administrative processing. 1, there is some incomplete documentation. So they tell you to upload your documents on their portal, and after you upload your document, they are going to assess them and then decide whether to give you a visa or not. Second, they take time at their end to process your documents. For example, they will take, in my case, they took time to verify my degree. It took 2 weeks exactly to verify my degree and my letter of invitation from the university. And after 2 weeks, after verifying everything at their end, they approved my visa. Now, once your visa is approved, you have to book a ticket and go to United States. Now, at an airport in United States, they are going to let you go through immigration process. Now, in immigration process, 1, they are going to give you the time until which you are going to remain in United States. For example, let's say the embassy in Pakistan approved your visa for 5 years, but it is the immigration counter at the airport that is going to decide that in that particular visit, how long are you going to stay in the United States. For example, if they tell you to stay for 6 months, you have to exit the country after 6 months. Similarly, if they tell you to stay for 3 months, you have to exit the country after 3 months. You can come back again because you have a visa validity for 5 years, but for that particular trip, the extent of your stay is going to be determined at the immigration counter. Now, for people from our country like Pakistan, they do some extra checking, and people from European countries get through the immigration process a bit more leniently. So don't worry if they take you to an extra counter for further interrogation. It's usually swift. They just ask some extra questions and then allow you to move through that. I would like to thank Dr. Manu for taking me on her channel so that I could explain these things to young doctors. If you have any questions, ask it in the comment section. Kindly subscribe this channel, like and share this video so that others could take advantage of this video. Thank you.